evaluate an integration, double integration 0 to 1 y to 1 e raised to x square dx dy. Now here the limit of y is 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1, and limit of x is y less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So here the limit of x is given in terms of y. So first we want to evaluate an integration y to 1 e raised to x square dx, but integration e raised to x square dx does not exist here. Okay, so we are going to evaluate this integration by using change the order of integration. Now to change the order of integration, first we are going to draw a closed region bounded by these limits. So the limit of here given x is equal to y, x is equal to 1, and y equal to 0, and y equal to 1. So by using this information we know that x is equal to y is a line passing through the origin. Okay, then this is what x is equal to 1, and this is y equal to 1. Now here, since the limit of x is given in terms of y, so the given strip enter at x is equal to y, it enters at x is equal to y and leaves at x is equal to 1, and such a strip we are going to put from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1. So our closed region bounded by the given limits this is our closed region bounded by given limits. So now to change the order of integration we are going to consider a vertical strip. So if we consider a vertical strip here, then this strip enters at y equal to 0 and it leaves at y equal to x, and such a strip we are going to put from a 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So the new limit of integrations are 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x, and therefore integration 0 to 1 y to 1 e raised to x square dx dy is equal to 0 to 1 0 to x e raised to x square dy dx. Now here first we want to evaluate an integration with respect to y. So this e raised to x square is a constant term, take it outside, and it is integration 0 to x dy dx. So the integration of dy is y, so this is equal to integration 0 to 1 e raised to x square, integration of dy is y from 0 to x dx. If we put here upper and lower limit, it is equal to 0 to 1 e raised to x square x dx. Now if you substitute here, put u is equal to x square, then du is equal to twice x dx, and this implies x dx is equal to du by 2. So the value of x dx is equal to du by 2, and the new limit of u is equal to, so here x and u, the lower limit of x is 0, upper limit is 1. If you substitute here x is equal to 0, then u is also 0. If you substitute here x is equal to 1, then u is also 1, and therefore integration 0 to 1 e raised to x square x dx become 0 to 1, okay, e raised to u du by 2. So if you take 1 by 2 outside, it is equal to 1 by 2 outside, it is integration e raised to u du. So integration of e raised to u is e raised to u 0 to 1. So it is 1 by 2 e minus e raised to 0 is what? 1. So e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0 is 1. So the value of this integration is equal to e minus 1 divided by 2. So by using change of the order of integration, the value of the given integration, double integration, is equal to, the value of this integration is equal to e minus 1 divided by 2.